Stellar offers a range of accessories to help you get your truck your way. Here's a look at Stellar Lube Skids.
Hi, I'm Tyler Havens, Product Manager with Stellar Industries, and I'm here to talk about our offering of mobile lube skids. Stellar has a wide selection of lube skids to best fit your needs. The LubeMate system in this truck shown behind me is a LM160 mobile aluminum lube skid. It offers two 40-gallon fresh oil tanks and one 80-gallon salvage oil tank. This LM160 mobile lube skid is made of aluminum, which is about 30% lighter than the steel counterpart. In addition to fresh oil tanks and salvage oil tanks, we can also add grease systems and air compressors to your mobile lube skid. In addition to mobile lube skids, Stellar also offers permanent mount versions where the tanks are permanently mounted in the load bed of the truck and the reels can be remote mounted in any compartment that best fits your needs. For permanent mount applications, we also offer drip pans and reel cabinets to mount on top of the side packs.
To learn more about the many ways to outfit your work truck, contact your Stellar distributor or visit stellarindustries.com.